Hi, I'm Arlen Geyer. Lightroom has three different types of collections. One of them is the quick collection. And the quick collection, there's just one of them, and it is good for doing things quick. You can put things into the quick collection by clicking on this little dot in the upper right corner of a thumbnail in the grid view of the library module. Or you can press the B key when you have an image selected. So I press B there, and that adds the quick collection. If you have something in the quick collection and you press B with that image selected, it removes it from the quick collection. Likewise, clicking a second time on that little dot will remove it from the quick collection. So we can look at everything in the quick collection by clicking on quick collection. And so here are all my images in the quick collection. And so then I could say print those or maybe edit those or whatever. Now that's the quick collection. A regular collection. Let's look here. I've got a few regular collections. If I want to now add, let's say I want to add these three images create a regular collection with those in it. So I'm going to create a collection, and I'm not going to put it in any set. I'm going to call it these pictures, and I'm going to create that. So now I have a collection called these pictures, but there's nothing in it because there was nothing selected when I created it. If I go back to my quick collection, I can now drag this and drop it into these pictures, or I can shift click on a couple of them or control click to select a few pictures and drag them into my these pictures collection. Now another way to do that would be, if I have a group, let's just go back to all photographs, and I'm going to click on that one. I'm going to shift click on this one to make all of those selected, and at this point I'm going to create a new collection. So click on the plus sign by collections and create a collection, and notice this time that I have the option of including selected photos because I have selected photos. So I'm going to call this those pictures, and I'm not going to put it in any set, and create this. And now I have those pictures. Here's these pictures. Here's those pictures. So notice, by the way, while we're at it, that right now I've got those three selected because they're I want to select all the pictures in that set. Now when I go to this one, which contained those, notice that the three that were in that other collection are continued to be selected, which is something that you can use for more sophisticated kinds of queries. So that's two kinds of collections we've looked at: the quick collection and collections. The third kind is smart collections. A smart collection is totally different from these because a smart collection is a collection that is created on the basis of a rule. So for example, I've got, let's see what I've got in here that might be interesting. There are video files recently modified. These are ones that come with Lightroom as demonstrations of smart collections. And so let's just create a smart collection. And so I'm going to create a smart collection. I clicked on the plus sign and create a smart collection. And now we're going to create a rule for the smart collection. So we can say, I clicked on the drop box there, and we're going to make it say keywords. And let's say the keyword contains barn, just for kicks. And we're going to call this it's going to call barns. How original. Create that. So here are all my barns. Now what's different about this is that when I add new photographs, and if I add the keyword barn to a new photograph, that will automatically be included in this smart collection. Whereas in a regular collection, like those pictures, no matter what new photographs I add to my catalog, they're not going to be in this collection unless I actually drag them into it. Uh, so this is stable, whereas a smart collection is um, dynamic. It will automatically include ones that I add later. So in most cases, you want to have a collection be something that will include new photographs as you bring them in. If, on the other hand, you want a collection to be static so that it is only this set of photographs no matter what else happens in your collection in Lightroom, then a regular collection is more appropriate. So quick collection for quick stuff, and then you can clear it. And so quick collection over here, if I right click on that, I can clear the quick collection. And then these regular type of collections are for static collections where you don't want to have it change according to what happens later. And a smart collection is one where you want it to reflect any changes. And this is especially useful with keywords. You could make a smart collection that is based on the focal length of a lens. Take a look at the ones that are built in here, and you'll get an idea what kinds of some examples of things that you could use a smart collection to do. So those are the three kinds of collections. I hope this has clarified things and it's helpful to you. Thanks.